Alex CodeMaster, ACM. Voiceover with enthusiasm. Greetings, tech enthusiasts, developers, and innovators alike. This is Alex CodeMaster, your trusty guide to the future of technology. Today we're diving into a topic that's not just thrilling, but transformative. We're talking about AI coding tools, specifically the top 5 that are set to revolutionize your life by 2025. Buckle up, because we're about to take a fascinating journey into the future of AI technology. ACM, voiceover with awe. Imagine a tool that writes code for you based on your instructions. That's what AI code generation tools are all about. By 2025, these tools will be advanced enough to convert a verbal or written brief into working code. This will not only speed up the development process, but also lower the entry barrier for non-coders. OpenAI's GPT-3 is a promising example of this technology, turning AI into a potential coding companion. 4. ACM, voiceover with a confident tone. Last but not least, we have AI testing and optimization tools. By 2025, testing and optimizing code will be largely automated. AI will be capable of conducting rigorous testing, identifying bottlenecks, suggesting optimizations, and even learning from past bugs to prevent them in the future. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be able to deliver high-quality code, faster and more reliably. ACM, voiceover with a reflective tone. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 AI coding tools that will change your life by 2025. From coding assistants to security tools, from code generators to project managers, and finally, testing and optimization tools. Each of these tools holds the potential to revolutionize the way we code, making the process more efficient, accessible, and secure. The future of coding is not just about writing instructions for a machine, but collaborating with artificial intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what we can create. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or a tech enthusiast, get ready to embrace these advancements. Because, my friends, the future of coding is not just coming, it's already here.